How to stop background apps in Windows 11. If your computer is running slow, background apps could be the reason. There are two things you need to do. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left side, select Apps, and then click on Installed Apps. If there's a specific app that you want to stop from running in the background, simply search for that app. Click on the three dots next to it, and if you see the Advanced options, click on it. Then, scroll down to Background App Permissions. Click the drop-down menu and change it to Never. Once you've done that, the app will no longer run in the background. There's also one more thing you can do. Go back to Apps on the left side, then scroll down and click on Startup. Here, you'll see all the apps that automatically start when you turn on your computer. These apps can use up your computer's resources, so I recommend turning off the apps you don't need. Once they're disabled, they'll stop starting automatically and won't keep running in the background on your computer.